Hello, my name is Maria Camila Moraes de Souza, and I'm going to present my research, which is called Teaching English for Academic Purposes, using the comparable corpora, Orcheus, and Orpheus. This is a project financed by CNPq and supervised by Professor Paula Tavares Pinto. So the project merged intending to meet the Sustainable Development Goals proposed by the UN for the 2030 Agenda, especially those related to health, education, and the environment. It is the result of the partnership between Letra Kim at Unesp São Paulo and the University of St. Gallen in Switzerland. The project pursues these objectives through translation, terminology, corpus linguistics, and language teaching. So, as Brazil is one of the largest consumers of agricultural pesticides around the world, the area of scientific studies regarding pesticide chemistry is on the rise, producing new research in both Brazilian Portuguese and English. This opens more space for specialized scientific terminologies on the subject. However, some terms are established in English and do not yet have equivalents in other languages, such as Brazilian Portuguese. This is a problem that leads to misunderstanding and misinterpretation of terms in the field, not only by chemistry students and researchers, but also by society in general, which needs to deal with these substances in some way. Thereby, the project aims to promote the teaching of bilingual terminology to students and researchers in the area of pesticide chemistry. Since English is the academic language disseminated worldwide and also the standard for academic essays, it can be a challenge for undergraduates who do not speak English as their first language. With that in mind, we promoted two workshops for undergraduate chemistry students, one remote and the other face-to-face, in which we taught specific terminology, translation methods, and English for specific purposes with data-driven learning. So in the workshops, we chose to work with the production of abstracts since they are short and we can explore different aspects of ESP with it. To this end, we thought about rhetorical moves and the use of data-driven and corpora-based tools, such as collocate and scale, to improve the academic tests. And regarding the specific terminology, we discussed the importance of performing statistically relevant translations using the following examples based on Pinto and Lima 2018 and Souza 2019, being the second example extracted from our corpora, Orcheus and Orpheus, when we found that the translation organophosphorus is a better one, is more statistically relevant for organofosforado in Portuguese than organophosphate, for example. So the workshops were productive as the students do not usually have contact with specialized language teaching and they learn ESP by inference, so through their graduation, but never a specific knowledge about ESP. In the workshop taught remotely, it was easier to demonstrate the use of the tools as they are all online. However, the face-to-face workshops was more challenging concerning the activities involving online tools, but it was more productive as it allowed a greater connection with the students and more dynamism in finding solutions to their problems. In conclusion, we obtained good results when applying the workshops that aimed to expand the teaching of ESP in the context of translational and terminological studies of pesticide and organophosphate chemistry, using the comparable corpora Orcheus and Orpheus as a form of pedagogical tool based on corpora. So these are my references, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.